This Ryanair Boeing 737 performs a pretty hard landing and even bounces before being able to decelerate. Ryanair, Europe's largest low-cost airline, famously offered seats for less than $1. It revolutionized air travel affordability, allowing millions to fly for the first time ever. Close call at Maho Beach in St. Martin by an Amerijet Boeing 727. Maho Beach, located on the Dutch side of St. Martin, is famous for its incredibly close encounters with aircraft, attracting thrill-seekers and aviation enthusiasts from around the globe. A Buffalo Airways DC4 takes off very low to greet some plane spotters near the runway. Buffalo Airways, a family-run airline based in Canada's Northwest Territories, stars in the reality TV show Ice Pilots, showcasing vintage aircraft operations in extreme Arctic conditions. A KLM MD-11 demonstrates the overwing emergency exit slides deployment. The tall, slender tube adorned with black and white stripes serves as a visual signal to the flight attendant at the exit, confirming the successful deployment of the slide's vertical section, which is not visible from the doorway. An Aerosucre Boeing 727 crashes a couple of minutes after hitting a fence during takeoff. The Aerosucre crash in December 2016 involved a Boeing 727 in Colombia, tragically resulting in the loss of 5 crew members, highlighting issues with overloading and operational safety in cargo flights. Very rare video of an engine startup by a Lockheed Super Constellation. The Lockheed Super Constellation, an iconic 1950s airliner, distinguished by its graceful triple-tail design and dolphin-shaped fuselage, symbolized the golden age of air travel with unmatched elegance and performance.